I mean, over and above everything else, what I've gained are the start of very fruitful relationships. People have been very open to creating connections online, setting up additional meetings, reaching out if they need anything, just creating a real relationship, something that can continue once the event is over. And that's been very valuable to me, because being able to reach out to people in the future, having a network that is people that I've actually met in this small environment, that they can recall you and what you do, and the relationship and the conversations have been real and valuable. That's really cool. But beyond that, a lot of really great opportunities. I was just telling someone that I believe at least 8 meetings in, at least 4 of those are going to become a second meeting. So a 50%, home run, that's pretty cool.